Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Angi affiliate program for contractor referral requests, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Angi affiliate program. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address you used to register for the affiliate program. Next, type in your password in the designated field. After entering your credentials, double-check for any typos. Once you are sure your information is correct, click the login button. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. If you encounter issues, check for an option that says Forgot Password. Click on that link if you need to reset your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a password reset email. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password to access your account. Now that you are logged in, you can navigate to the Contractor Referral Requests section. Look for a menu or tab labeled Referral Requests. Click on that option to manage your referrals. From here, you can view, track, and submit contractor referrals as needed. Make sure to explore other features in your dashboard for additional resources. This completes your login process to the Angi affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.